So I've got half an hour to talk about the last 50 years of my involvement in geriatric medicine. So that's less than a minute a year. I was going to start with this book, which is the first English language book on geriatric medicine, The Cure for Old Age and Preservation of Youth by Roger Bacon, who was a 13th century Franciscan friar. Dr. Mirabilis was known as. He was a polymath of his time. He got into trouble with the Inquisition, but I wasn't quite around at that time that came out. Nor was I around when the first modern book on geriatrics came out, Nasher's book on the diseases of old age and their treatment from America at the start of the last century. Nor was I around when Marjorie Warren wrote her famous papers on geriatric medicine in the BMJ and the Lancet, and they're well worth a read for those of you who haven't read them.